Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a crab hat on Dress to Impress. So we are going to use this hat. I'm just going to use this color 901215 in matte. And for the scale, we're just going to put it all the way to 0.83. Then we're going to use this cat beanie, toggle it to no ears in that same red. Make sure it's matte as well. Adjust it to position 0.72 on the y-axis. Rotate it to 0.85 on the x-axis and then scale it all the way to 0.6. For the sleeping mask, we are going to use this one, obviously, and then we are going to color it that same red and then the second one black. Then for the position and whatnot, y at 0.59, z at 0.39, rotate it at 0.95, y at 0.53, and then scale it to 0.58. Then we are going to use these earmuffs in red and black as well for the eyes. Position the Y to 0.87, the Z at 0.26, rotate it at 1, and then scale it to 0.26. Looking cute already. And then we will need round earrings, color it white. Also, I need to mention before we finish, you need VIP, but you can just stop here if you don't have VIP. It still looks like very cute. Round earrings, white in matte. So position Y at 1, then here at 0.16. And then we're going to scale it to 0.38 for the eyes. Then for the claws, I guess, color it red in matte. And then position it at 0.7 for the y-axis, z at 0.58. Whoops, went too far. And then scale it up to 0.78. Whoops, went too far again. And that is it. That is how you can create this super cute crab hat on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.